Rod J, Rod Buys Cash, checking in, Get Paid Network. So we're on the way to go look at a property. We already have picked up this property. I believe it's been rehabbed. I really don't even know yet. But actually, I think it has to be rehabbed because I'm about to furnish this property. So this is a duplex that's in Atlanta. I'm on the way now, so we'll get some video footage of that one, and we'll see that shortly. So anyhow, checking in, checking out. We're at. If you have a property that you want to get rid of, you can give us a call. We'll do the same for you. 404-997-3555. Or you can check us out online, rodbuyscash.com.
If it's you, you know it's gotta be us. I said it all. Do it for the culture. And I just got one of our station, Club 1079.
What's going on, y'all? Rod J, Rod Buys Cash, Get Paid Network, checking in. We have just made it over to the Atlanta property. This property is a duplex, and it is 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. I'll show you this property here. I actually already opened up everything, so all we got to do is go inside. Nice little quaint duplex. One of the units. Quaint little duplex. Almost ready to rent out. It needs gotta put a stove and a refrigerator. But other than that, good to go. And what we'll do is we'll take a look at the other one. We'll go into the other unit over here. Already pre-opened up. This is the other unit. I'm gonna buff the floors a little bit. So as you see, this duplex is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath each unit. I think it's a nice little location for some rental income. This property is going to be rented out just as soon as I furnish it. But one of the things that we do to get our properties furnished, one of the things we do to get our properties filled faster is furnishing them. So we'll have some tricks of the trade on how we get our properties furnished for a minimal price. And we'll go from there. Anyhow, so you've seen how this duplex looks. Showed you both units, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, kitchen on each unit. But anyhow, we'll have some more coming shortly. Stay tuned. If you know anybody who has a multi-unit property or even a house that they want to sell that they haven't listed on the market, you can always go to my website. My information is there. Give us a call, and we will gladly pay you a referral for sending us the business. That's how we show you guys love. Anyhow, Rod J, Rod Buys Cash, checking in, checking out. See you.
Talking, y'all better watch the way you talk to my client, homie, start walking. Wait a minute, will a nigga